Hello friends! Remember, if you want something, you can probably make it. This special showcases projects that serve education and prototyping, gaming, home and office decor, and much more.
This week we were true makers. I had a problem at home, so we fixed it with electronics. My cat does not like to travel, but if I leave for the weekend and put 2 days of food out, she'll eat that food before I get to the door. So, we drew up a clever case using our alarm clock kit and our new micro servers in a cardboard stand-up. In order to make it cat-proof, we used metal latches to hold the project to a wall mount. With a few modifications to our alarm clock code, we reprogrammed the board using our new FTDI boards set to 5-volt logic. The new code let the user set the time and date for 6 portions of food. Then the portions are released into the feeder bowl at appropriate times. Be sure to like, follow, or subscribe to see this week's upcoming video on how we made this project. And until next time, happy hacking.